chicks, and I have 7 sheds, capacity of 35,000 chicks. And it's been, and it was very, it was a great feeling to have started it and built it my own myself with using soil sticks, and at a low cost I built with a loan of 45 lakhs. Spoken garden, we have this is my tractor. This is a Mahindra tractor, 45 HP, and this is what I use it for transporting my manure from the poultry to outside, and it's been of a great help to me. And this is what I use it to keep my farm flowing. And now what we see is it's a shell grit which I use it to manufacture my poultry feed. This is my transport, my Jeep. This is Mahindra Jeep, 1989 model. It's been with me for quite some time, and I love this Jeep because it's been my partner for quite some time, and this is my transport which I'm using now. This is a 1989 Mahindra Jeep, number CKE234, my favorite number, my favorite Jeep. It's been with me for quite some time. I love my transport. We are proceeding towards the poultry feed unit, where we manufacture our own feed to make the feed, which is almost about 4 tons per day. We manufacture our own feed, and we are entering into a feed shed. In this place, we manufacture our feed using several ingredients. This is my feed mixing and grinding unit. This is the stock of the feed which we have kept it to feed the chicks in the afternoon, ready feed. That's the stock of my feed, one of the ingredients. Weighing machine. This is the main ingredient for making my poultry feed. We use it about 55% in the mixing of the feed to manufacture my feed for my own chicks. Fish, which we get it from Kundapur, and this is the main ingredient to make a poultry feed. Plant with hibiscus flowers. It's right behind my house and next to my brooding shed. Brooding shed is a place where we breed. We brood the chicks from 0 to 6 weeks. These flowers are next to my brooding shed, where we have chicks from day 1 to 6 weeks. This is the intensive care unit, kind of unit for the chicks, wherein we take utmost care that they'll be disease free and they'll grow well. And in this shed they'll stay for 6 weeks, and which we are going inside to show up the brooding shed inside now. Brooding shed now. Here the chicks will be from day 1 to 6 weeks, and this unit has got heating system also, because we need to keep the chicks warm. And here we take care of the chicks in a highly hygienic situation, and wherein here only people with we have to clean their feet and hands to get into the shed, and only specific people will enter. We do not allow anybody else into the shed, because this is a very hygienic place wherein chicks have to be taken care at most. these are what we see now are the water tanks wherein we mix electrol and high vitaminized water into these, and we keep the water continues running with mixed vitamins and minerals and electrol also. This shed has got a capacity of 5,000 chicks, and we feed chicks by hand twice a day, and we see to that there is always ample supply of vitamin water, and most of the time we are allow only one person to take care of this place because of the hygienic situation. It is absolutely kept clean. We do not allow anybody inside other than one specific person who has to take care of the feeding and watering. We are looking at the grower shed. Here we breed, we take care of the chicks after they will be transferred from chicks to this brooder shed. In this shed we will have for 8 weeks. This is also almost intensive care is a shed only. Either we have to take care here, and the chicks will stay here for until 16 weeks from the brooder shed.
Hi.
These are Bhavan's Venkateshwara Hatchery's chicks, and these are called as BV300. They are about 14 weeks old. This is where this is as being a growing shed, we will take care of them in an intensive manner. This is a medicine called as K-Sol Forte, stabilized with vitamin K. We use this medicine when we debeak the chicks. We are looking at our layer sheds from the grower shed. We will shift the chicks from the grower shed to the layer shed. This is where the chicks, they lay eggs. We have 5 sheds of this, capacity 20,000. These are capacity of 20,000. Each shed has got 5,000 capacity. This is a layer shed, capacity 5,000. Now we are looking at eggs that have been almost picked up and kept in the trays. The capacity of the shed is 5,000 chicks. And now I'm getting the optimum production of 85% in this shed. This shed has got a semi-automated feeding system. It's called as hoppers. We feed the chick by using the hoppers, where the manual labor is cut by almost 50%. Water for the fish is done by nipple system, wherein they can drink water whenever they want, and this is called a nipple system water fish, which provides hygiene and the contamination is not spread from this place because we have water inside the nipple. By using these nipples, we save on the water, there will be no wastage of water, and it maintains the hygiene, and there will be no spilling of water, and the water management can be done in a very clean way, where there is no wastage and there will be no dirt to be around. Yeah. We are looking at set number 3, which has got a capacity of 5,000, and these are 30-week-old chicks, and they have an optimum percentage of 95%. ಭಾಳ ದೇಶದೊಳಗೆ
ಇದು ಕಾಟ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಗಿಡ ಒಂದು 70-85 ಅಥವಾ 100 ಇರ್ಬೋದು.
ಕಾಯಿಗಳು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನೀರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕಮ್ಮಿ
ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗರು
ಟೀ ಕುಡಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ, ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕುಡಿದ್ಯಾ, ನಿಂಬೆ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕುಡಿಯೋಣ, ಓಕೆ ಬಾಬು ನಿಮಗೆ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಸ್ ಕೊಡು. ಇದು ಸೋಮೇರಿ ಪೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
How could I sumaru 70,000 for you being here and spending your valuable time. Thank you very much. We appreciate it.